each industry is different from other in terms of the way they operate, the way they take their brand forward. If I say automobile as an industry, it mainly works around building a brand. Our strength is the brand. Product definitely going to support you in terms of fulfilling those promises, but overall the first thing that we create here is a brand. If I look at FMCG or any other industry, it works mainly on discounting, smaller packages, this kind of stuff. But yeah, in automobile, if you are going to do that, you are going to actually hurt your brand. Nobody would be willing to buy a discounted brand. It's a prized possession for everybody. Even if I am driving a 40,000 priced vehicle, it's a pride for me. It's not a normal thing that everybody has. So I think when a consumer look for a brand which he can feel proud of. So I would say in a way, this industry is different from FMCG. Is we create a brand, we connect with the consumer on emotional front. There are brands which work on creating that kind of relation on practical stuff, like I have this kind of technology, this kind of a feature in my brand. But if you look at a longer run, features will come, go, it will keep upgrading, but feature can't be leveraged too much. What you leverage in this industry is your connect to consumer on emotional level. The emotion that he have in terms of his family, his society, what he want in terms of what he wanted to get a respect from the society, the kind of respect, the kind of status that he wants to have, that he somewhere associate himself as the automobile that he's going to buy. So I think from other industry, it's more of a brand driven, more of a emotional brand driven, I would say, for at least automobile sector. Other industry have a different kind of working environment, different kind of brand platform that they operate on. So as I said, every industry is different. This automobile industry is mainly driven by brand that you build from scratch, and definitely the product is there to support you. If the product is not there, you can't fulfill the promises that you have made to your consumer. So in a way, automobile industry is completely brand driven industry and very different from any other FMCG or FMCD industry.